In this ever-evolving cybersecurity world, we need to go beyond protection. At CITIC Telecom CPC, we redefined. We proudly present TrustCSI 3.0 Cybersecurity Redefined, a revolutionary solution that redefines cybersecurity from a passive defender to a proactive guardian. Leveraging our world-class infrastructure, decades of in-depth security experience, and cutting-edge technologies, we revolutionize SOCs, fortify operations, and empower businesses to navigate complex modern cybersecurity challenges. At CITIC Telecom CPC, we are committed to being your trusted TechOps Security Enabler. AI-led managed security solutions is empowered by SOC4Future strategy. As a new strategy at the core of our cybersecurity framework, it is designed to deliver holistic enterprise protection that enables your organization to identify and predict, protect, detect, respond, and recover effectively from diverse threats. We provide continuous and intelligent protection for your organization. Our SOC as a service is empowered by 3 self-deployed and self-managed 24/7 SOCs. With our world-class infrastructure, technologies, and global local capabilities, our certified team of security professionals brings extensive experience to assist enterprises in delivering unparalleled security analysis, monitoring and conducting AI red-blue cybersecurity practices to identify weaknesses in enterprise IT infrastructure, and develop effective defense measures for maximum protection, harnessing our expertise in compliance and a comprehensive range of consulting services. Our AI-led MSS elevate defense capabilities across departments and fortify enterprise-wide rapid response to cyber threats. Step into the future with TrustCSI 3.0, redefining cybersecurity by leveraging our global reach and advanced TechOps capabilities. We empower enterprises to surge ahead in the digital realm, transcending from passive defenses to proactive guardian. Embrace a new era of digital security. Together, let's redefine cybersecurity. CITIC Telecom CPC. Innovation never stops.